Hi, this is ZTE Blade A73 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap here to the personalization settings, tap to wallpaper section and select here one from the default wallpapers. Also you could use photos from your device gallery. Select one from the wallpapers. You could see the preview on lock or home screens, for example. Then just tap set as and select set lock screen wallpaper applied successfully. Let's check, and that's it. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, then tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon, and by the same way select one from the wallpapers, tap to set as, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.